रोटी बनाइयो खाएगी।
Hi everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I believe this is your first class in SQL, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be taking your SQL module since I am also new to you and you guys are also new to me. Help with one-liner introduction in your chat and I'll also help you with my introduction. We'll wait for 3 more minutes and then we will get started with the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can happily call me Amrita, no problem. Quick one-line introduction, guys. I mean, what you're doing currently, how many years of experience you have. If you are fresher, then like which year pass out. No, there are 3 learners who are working with US Healthcare. All of you are friend? You know each other? It's Rahul,
No, I think.
okay, Amit and Lakshmi Narayan. 3 people, US Healthcare. Okay. Okay, thank you all for your introduction. Others, you can also ping me meanwhile. Okay, regarding myself, I am Amrita Chaudhary. I'm based out of Bangalore. I have 8 years of industrial experience, relevant 5 years of experience, 5+ years of experience in data science and machine learning. As of now, I am machine learning engineer, team lead at Accenture. I have worked with companies like Genpact, TCS. This is my third company. Also, I am a Tableau developer. My expertise is in domains like banking and telecom. I have worked with Indian clients like SBI, Citibanks, and like my US clients have been in telecom, that is Rakuten, Mass Mobile. These are operators in telecom domain outside India. So that's a quick introduction about myself. With SQL, I've been working it from the very beginning. So this is all about me. I hope all of you here are for data science, right? Ultimately, your course is data science course. Is
Yes.
it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay. Nice, interesting. So everyone has interesting backgrounds. Okay, let's get started. Uh, so far, 35 people have joined. What's your usual strength?
45.
45, 47.
Oh, yeah, that's what has been told to me. It's okay. We will start. It's already time. Okay. Let's talk about SQL. Any idea? Whatever you know, feel free to communicate. Okay, we'll make our classes interactive. So any idea regarding SQL? What's the full form? What is it for? What is database?
Hello.
Yes.
Actually, my knowledge, it is the base of importing, getting the data from the server, various website and various paths, according to my knowledge. I know that's it only. And used for the saving the data in the separate folder wise, table wise, and it'll be useful for the importing data and exporting the data and saving of the data with in future references.
Good, good. Okay, good. Anyone else?
SQL is a structured query language.
Yes, Vijay, please be a bit louder. I can hear you though.
Okay. Yeah, SQL is a structured query language. It basically depends on DDL and you can extract the data from table, select the data, update it using SQL command. Hello.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. I hope my voice is loud and clear, or is it feeble to you all? Give me a confirmation, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. All of you are correct. Let me talk about SQL. Yes, the full form of SQL is structured query language. So it's a language, okay? Language for what? Language for database. Now, what is database? Database is a place where data is stored. Data is stored in which format? Data is stored in the form of tables, views. It's called as a relational database. Now, there is one important thing we should understand. What is structured data and what is unstructured data? The database for structured data and unstructured data are different. Anyone who can tell me the difference between structured data and unstructured data? No?
Structured data are usually stored in the form of tables in a ordered manner in rows and columns, separated by maybe comma or maybe two different columns. This is structured data. And
Correct,
the
absolutely.
data where we cannot really understand the logic of storage, or we cannot really separate from one to other is the unstructured data.
Perfect. Okay. So what is structured data? Structured data is in the form of tables, right? Rows and columns. Unstructured data, where you actually do not know the format. Data is in the normal data which you see in Excel or CSV, or in the form of tables. The normal data which you see in Excel, CSV, or in the form of tables, your structured data. Okay, data is also in Twitter and Insta and your WhatsApp messages. That is also data. Let's say you are typing some WhatsApp messages. Okay, you're typing a message to your friend, so you say hi, next say you use some timestamp, then you will some use some string, you may be using some emojis, some contacts, etc, etc. Now here there is no such format of storing the data or sending a text to a friend. This is unstructured data. Also, when you will see in your ATM, you will withdraw cash and then a slip used to come. That slip will have information like the place where your ATM is, how much you have in cash, what is the date, what is the amount remaining, etc, etc. That also is not in format. Something which is not in a format of rows and column, and the data which is coming next to it is not predictable, is unstructured data. Simple. Okay, examples of structured data. Structured databases is your SQL, MySQL, PLSQL, PostgreSQL. No, non-structured data is NoSQL, MongoDB. Databases are different for both of these types. So far, are you clear? Are you guys with me? Give me a confirmation.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So just
Thank
I
you.
want to ask that
Mhm.
for structure and unstructured data, we have two different query languages, correct? Like you
Uh,
say, MySQL and other things.
Okay, okay. So, I mean, your base remains same. The way of writing differs.
Okay.
Okay, and also let's ignore unstructured part. Just we will be focusing on the structured databases. Okay, we will be learning a structured database. Also, when I say there are multiple products or multiple databases by where you can use, one is MySQL, one is SQL, your query remains same, only 2 to 3% difference is there. So base knowledge will be same, 1 or 2% of difference in, let's say, in renaming a table. MySQL may you will be using change with alter, whereas in SQL may you will be using renaming with alter. So small differences are there. Base knowledge remains same. So every database has its own style, but mostly things are like 98% things are going to be same.
So in our data science profile, we get structured data or unstructured data in
Um,
SQL.
Actually, mostly it would be structured data. I'll tell you here one thing. So in data science profile, we'll talk about this one as per your question. Okay, so if you are a normal data scientist who is like in domains like banking, or maybe I'll say telecom, or maybe healthcare domains, mostly data is regulated. When I say data is regulated, data is structured data. Mostly you will be fetching the data from the databases. But NLP, natural language processing, is that area of data science which deals with unstructured data. Okay, so if you are someone who is hired to work with NLP, maybe you will need to work with unstructured data like your NoSQL, MongoDB.
MLP means like machine learning programming.
NLP, okay, the way you're saying data science, no, data science is like an umbrella term. Within data science, there are a lot of things. There are statistics which you have to learn. There is machine learning. There is something which is called as deep learning, advanced things. Okay, something which is called as NLP. Like within that umbrella, these are small, small modules. So if you are particularly into that NLP area, NLP is that library, or is that area where people mostly deal with unstructured data. So if they are dealing with unstructured data, database will also be unstructured. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Okay, let's proceed. Quick definitions. How would you define a database?
Where we can store data,
Perfect.
huge amount of data.
Yes, where we can store a data. Okay, now there are a lot of tasks which is done from a database. Okay, there are some people who will be called as SQL developers, some people who will be called as database admin team. People like us who will be working with data will mostly focusing on how to retrieve data from a table. We will mainly focus with select queries, writing nested select queries, writing joins. That is our area. What will SQL developers or admin team do? Admin team are those people who will focus on the optimization of the database. Optimization of the database means database is a place where you store tables. Okay, now that database has a size assigned. Within that there is a size for the tables and all. If unnecessarily space is being used, they are the person who will be taking care of this. Who are SQL developer? They are the people who will be creating tables for you, creating views for you. You or me as a data analyst or a data scientist will not have access like dropping something, truncating something, removing something. We will only be given access to select, or at the most to update. You may or you may not have update, but you will for sure have access to your select queries. So all of us will mostly focus on retrieving data. SQL developers are the people who focus on creating tables, logical structures, creating rules on the tables. Also, they focus on the performance. Performance, we will also care about that, but just understand our work will be mostly on retrieving data. So we will learn all these things in practical with hands-on. Okay, for that, to do hands-on, we also need some software. So I'm sharing one link to you. We will be using MySQL. Okay, I've just shared a link to you. Let me know if you are getting it or not. Okay, 1 minute. It should be to everyone. Okay, open this link. One of you share your screen, others see. I will guide you how to install MySQL in your systems. This is the place where we will be doing your hands-ons.
We can't do on MS SQL.
Sorry?
We can't do hands-on MS SQL.
MS SQL or MS Access?
No, MS SQL, Microsoft.
MS
We don't have
SQL.
access to share screen.
SQL
Yes, ma'am.
Server.
We don't have access to share a screen.
I'm
So
talking
you,
about SQL Server.
Yes, I heard you. Okay, we can do. Okay, if you have SQL Server, maybe you can use it. But like as per the syllabus, we are supposed to use this. So to
Only
every
syntax, some syntax is different. No?
yes, syntax will be different. Some syntaxes will be different. Small. It would be better to be in the same phase if you can download it. Okay. How can you guys do not have access to share your screen? I mean, yes, it's a free version, Shoni. I mean, students before were sharing their screen.
Host is not giving.
no, we are
share
not
screen.
somehow we don't have access.
Ma'am, you might have the access to,
To allow us to share our screen, you can do that. Means you can give us a right.
To make host to anyone and he will share the screen.
Okay, wait, I'll explore this option. Where is this make host? Yes, I can definitely share.
no, ma'am, you can make somebody as a host so that person can readily able to.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Got you guys, got you. Let me check that option. Who can share? So who can start sharing when someone else is sharing? All participants. Who can share? It's all participant. Who can start sharing when someone else is sharing? All participants. Okay, this option is ticked. Try now. Is it somewhere visible?
Yes, host disabled participant screen sharing. It's showing us.
Okay, showing us. Yes, please,
Yes,
someone
host.
share. I will guide you.
It's written host disabled participant screen sharing.
Oh, disabled? No, it's not
Yes,
disabled.
it's
I
showing
just
us the message.
Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. I'll show
Okay,
my
sure, ma'am.
part. So see, for me it is there. Who can share? All participants who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. I have marked this. Anyways, there might be some problem. Let me try to guide you. Okay. Okay, go to this link. Everyone, eyes on my screen, please. Go to this links. When you are into this link, try to click this dolphin. You will get two things here. Try to do this download. Okay, once you download, this page will be coming. Then say, no thanks, just start download.
Okay, ma'am. Just give
Okay.
some time, please.
Yes, yes, sure. It will start download. And then once everyone is done till here, let me know.
Ma'am, both file we have to download or one?
Sorry.
Both file we have to download.
Both file not, it's one software you have to download. That is this one.
Please see again, ma'am. Please show again us.
Again, okay, no problem. See my screen. Once you open this link, you will be getting a page like this. Okay, click on this dolphin. You will be getting two options. Okay, here you are asking both or one. The one with the more size, download that.
37.3 MB. Okay.
Okay, some MB might be different for you, some
This
people.
is
Dolphin, clicked on Dolphin.
for 32
Both download.
Hello.
No thanks. Just yes. Clicked on
This
no
will work.
thanks. Just start my download.
Right.
This will work on 64-bit, right?
Yes. You
Because
have
it showed-
32-bit?
No, I have 64-bit. It will work, right?
Yes, it will work. No problem.
Because it's showing 32-bit. That's
No, it will work. It will work.
okay, fine.
Okay, I can't show you because for me it is already installed. No, I won't be able to show you guys. Let me check on that option here. How can you share?
Amrita, in previous previous training sessions,
Mhm.
uh, like the trainer allow like make somebody to host and then he or she will share the screen. So that is how we have to share. There is no other
Yeah.
option.
See, no, I am doing it like who can collaborate. There was this option who can share. I did it, but I don't know if that has to be done from the very beginning or after start also can we do it?
We can do it in between also.
In between also. Let me check that option. I'm not very sure where is that option. No, not here.
So after downloading, we have to install it.
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead
We
to
have to
your
click on run.
Yes, it's installing, ma'am, now.
It's installing. Okay, fine. Okay, once it is downloaded, go to your downloaded folder, open it. Okay. Just do next execute.
Ma'am, it is completed, custom and completed, ma'am. This link.
Okay, listen. Once you have downloaded that one it will take some time. It will say installing and then it will show you couple of options. First option, do as next. Nowhere you guys have to do any changes. Okay, just it's next. Then you will get a pop-ups asking you this is not there. Shall we proceed? Do it as yes. Second step, you will get an option. Something is not there. Should we proceed? Do yes, and then next execute, just like this.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
for
I got
me,
the first pop-up. It's asking us to run or cancel.
Run, no
Hmm.
cancel. We want to install, no.
for me, it is showing please wait while Windows configures MySQL installer community.
Wait then, wait.
Okay,
It
okay,
is
okay.
doing configuration at the end.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I'm only getting one option to download.
Okay, it's okay. Proceed. Okay. Tell me, did you click on that dolphin? Click on that dolphin, then it will give you two options.
Okay, I got it.
Madam, hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
I am getting choosing setup
Your voice is breaking.
developer default, server only, client only, full custom. It was showing, and it was showing next.
Next, do next. Nothing we have to change. Nowhere we have to change. Just at the end, they will ask for your password. You will have to enter one password. That's it. No changes. Do next. Default. Let it
Madam,
be.
my SQL requirement that was click on that 1.2.10 or
Can you ping me the screenshot?
okay.
After installing it, asks a developer default, server default, client full custom.
Do next. Nowhere you have to do anything. No changes we have to do ourselves. Do next.
And there is a option of back, execute and cancel. So we have to execute it.
Execute. Cancel to nahi karenge na, because we have to install it.
Ma'am, can you find I'm Rajal Bhatt. If you see my screenshot, they're asking something like it's not satisfied. I'm like some requirements are not satisfied.
Okay. Ashok, click on that MySQL, say next. Okay. Rajal, say yes and next.
Okay.
After clicking next, it pop-ups and no compatible server were found. You will need to cancel this wizard and
Okay, give
install.
me the screenshot, please. Give me the screenshot.
Ma'am, it is asking for the password, root password.
Remember this password, whatever you fill. Give a password. This will be used further.
Madam,
Okay.
one or more product requirements have not been satisfied.
It's okay. Proceed. It's okay. Okay, I think
Execute.
Execute. Think I have a doc for this installation. Maybe I can showcase that one.
Cancel in last cancel, right?
Nowhere we'll have to
No,
cancel.
execute.
Execute, yes. Okay.
Ma'am, after execute, I'm getting this screenshot, the wizard and install one.
No, this will not work for you. There is.
Actually, mine is 64-bit and this is 32-bit.
No, it's okay. Mine is also 64-bit system. I have also used it like this. It's okay. Okay. Hold on, Rajal. Hold on. Okay.
Yes.
Let's see others are getting to download or not, or else we will like connect later.
Okay.
Okay, I have a document, I believe. I'll just try to showcase that. So see, something like this will come, developer default. Next, it will ask you to select this MySQL. Do next, proceed with the disclaimer, and then say next. All these things will be getting executed. When you click that option, execute, all these things should be green ticked. Done. Then you need to give some password. Once your password will be done, it will come something like this. Okay, and you again have to do a next. There will be an option which will ask you test your connectivity. You will have to test your connectivity. It should be green ticked, and it's done.
Ma'am, can you go a little up? Yeah, up.
Yes.
Here I have not got this SQL Studio 1.1210.
Okay, what did you get? You might have got something.
I've got
Maybe.
this developer default. Okay, and I click next.
Then
Then after it was like directly asking for the executing. So I just executed. Yeah.
and did you get these many
No,
things?
not this many, but there was some few. Yes.
Okay, hold on. You should get at least 4 to 5.
It was yes, around 4.
Okay, but you should have also got this. I mean, this is something we are trying to download, no? At the end, we
Yeah.
need backend. May what happened without this Visual Studio? It gets downloaded at the backend. If somehow your settings of the system are different, there are some environment files which, because of which this is not able to download. We have to download this explicitly, and then we have to try out this thing.
Oh.
Yes, so this has a different step. Okay, so we need to hold on. I need to check that YouTube video and I'll share you.
Okay.
Okay, others, anyone who have already downloaded it?
Ma'am, I've completed it. Ma'am, I directly went to execute after that, as Rajal told me. Yeah, I directly went to execute and there is a new window which is open.
Okay, I mean, did it ask for your, I don't know guys, how do you get that option to share? Yeah. I mean, I am unable.
When
My
you go
screen
to participant, you can try. Like you can give them host, so that person can share the screen.
Ma'am, you should make them the host, then they will be able to share it.
Oh, got the option. Okay, fine. Anyone who is done or anyone who will like to be the host?
Sir, ma'am, I would like to go.
This is Radhika?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Got it. Yes, please share. Amit, yes, you need visual C++ at the end to download it.
Madam Mishra Sukumar.
Okay, 1 minute, Sukumar. Yes, Radhika, this is done. Click on this local host.
Yes, local instance.
Yes. Click on that local instance. Give your password. Try to save the password in the vault, or if you remember, well and good.
Hello, ma'am.
Just 1 minute, please. Just 1 minute. Okay, this is the place where we will be doing coding. It's done for you, Radhika.
Ma'am,
yes, someone else can share your screen. Let me know who is trying to say.
I am sharing my screen, but it's still host disabled.
Tell me your name, please.
Pradipto Kumar Datto.
Mishra.
Okay, 1 minute.
I have typed on the chat. Can you just check my name and?
Yeah, I am getting your name, but okay, wait a minute.
First, you have to cancel her host from Radhika,
Yes.
and then you
I
can.
guess this. Yes, I guess this one. Yes.
Guys, okay. Reclaim host done.
Yes, you are now host.
Yes, make host Pradipta done.
Yes, I am host now. Yes,
Yeah.
so I am sharing my screen.
Yes.
The entire screen share. Are you able to see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, able to see. Do next.
Next. Yeah. Okay, developer default, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, others also see. This is from the very beginning.
So I'm starting then?
Yes, start.
Next.
Okay, you also did not get that option. Okay.
No.
Do next.
Next.
Yes. Okay, for you also it will be problematic, it seems. Do continue. Let's see.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, I got this much only.
No, you guys need visual code at the back end actually. Still proceed. I think it will show you error for you.
Yes, it was the same thing happened with me.
Yes, I also same thing happened.
Same here.
Do you guys have Windows 11, 10?
10.
Okay.
Ma'am, my version is Windows 11, ma'am, but it's not.
I also.
Do you guys have something missing which is with respect to see visuals? I mean, people who already use some kind of coding, no, it's already there, but you guys have to install that explicitly, then you will have. Anyways, we'll proceed and I'll check that video and share with you guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I got one window where it is asking type help or question mark for help. Quick
Yeah,
or
next.
Next.
Yes, next. Yes. Tell me. Yes, tell me. You're saying something.
Yes, ma'am. I got one window popped up like for coding one. It is writing that type help or question mark for help, quit or exit.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, fine. Okay,
This same
Pradipta,
pop-up in
yes,
my
you guys have error. People who are getting this error, okay, at the end, ping me your email IDs. I will share one link. You can proceed with that kind of download. Something is missing, something in your environment is missing because of which this is coming.
Okay, ma'am.
This right, ma'am. This screen like game.
Like, want to cancel configuring your products? Yes or no?
You want to cancel now. You
No,
should
I'm
be
not.
canceling.
It's coming. This I'm not going to cancel. It is coming like this. I'm asking.
Are you sure you want to cancel? Say yes.
Okay, I'll say yes, right?
Yes, you want to cancel because see what will happen. You will get that MySQL thing, but by default, we should be getting 3 databases that you guys will not get it.
Oh.
And that is a thing which is problematic. So who have started download now, the next step, one extra step for you is you'll have to uninstall this. For uninstalling also, I'll send one video and how to deal with this problem. You guys also check in YouTube, there are some videos I have seen. I will also check it and I'll be sending you in the emails. Okay, don't ping me now, ping me later on so that I can keep a track. Okay.
Can you please share your mail ID so that we can separately mail you?
Okay. We'll talk on that one. Yes, I will share definitely. Okay.
I'm stopping share. Okay.
Yes, please. You stop share. Anyone else who want to share?
Madam, I want to share.
Okay. Wait.
Mr. Ashok Kumar.
Okay, this is Ashok Kumar Mishra. One person have already downloaded it. Others, anyone else who have already downloaded it?
No.
No one else.
No, ma'am. It's still installing for me.
I have downloaded.
Okay, 2 persons.
I have downloaded it.
3 persons. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Why we not use SQLite? It's easy. Query is same for MS SQL and SQLite.
Right. I will not have the answer for this. This is what has been asked me to use it. That's why I'm using it. Okay. SQLite also you can use mostly things.
Actually, it is easy to download it.
Is
I have
it?
a question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Is there any online software suite or something where we can just for practice? Because for us, this
Yes,
is
there
just
are
for
lot
practice.
of there are lot of online environments you will get where you can practice.
Exactly. For the sake of practice, you can share such a link. We can just for the 15 days or so, we can do this, isn't it, ma'am? It will be easier for us, for all of us, I guess.
Okay, we can, like, that's the last option. I will say that's the last option because if you have one database in your system, you can always use that, and
No,
like
of course,
everyone will be in sync.
I agree. But if this is coming, then we can do that. And for
No,
the sake of practice,
okay.
we can do
See, if this doesn't get resolved, no other option left. We will go with that option only. Okay.
it. Yes,
But
yes.
I think these issues are the common ones. I have seen these issues before. It will be getting resolved. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
yes. Okay.
Hello,
Yes.
madam. Is it my screen visible to you?
Your screen is
Yeah.
visible. Do you get that next option? You should be getting. Everything is fine.
Okay. Next, click on next, right?
Yes. Where is your next? Okay. Go ahead. Next. Give a password.
Okay. Click on next. Hello.
Yes, 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 yes.
Next.
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 Next, yes. Okay, next again. Everything will get ticked.
I want to tick, right?
Yeah, yeah. Do next. No, no, you don't have to. You don't have to. It will automatically happen. Okay, we'll give 5 minutes more. Then we'll start with the session, which will be a shorter session today, 15. And then later on, we will see this installation thing. Yes, next, next. Next.
After that,
The first one, click over there, Bootstrap. Give your,
Bootstrap.
yes, give your password. Host name should come automatically actually, but still give your password.
Test connection.
No option is coming. Okay, remove that tick option, Bootstrap, and try to proceed. Try to proceed
Finish.
next. Okay, try to proceed. Now give that password. Check, check, check. This is needed. Connection succeeded. This is needed. Okay, go ahead.
Here.
Nothing, nothing. Do next. Will
Execute,
automatically.
right?
Execute.
Next.
Next. Next.
Finish.
Okay, search for C in your start and you will get to open that app. Okay, Kiran, if it is asking you for password, please give the password. You might have created the password, right? Okay. Okay, guys, shall we stop now?
So password is basically you can make your own password, right? Create
Yes,
your
you
own
have
password.
to make your own password.
Okay.
Okay, so
Just
let's
upload
stop.
in the laptop.
Okay, let's stop the installation thing here. Whosoever has the problem, let me share my mail ID. We will connect. Okay, maybe
Yes, ma'am.
we will connect.
Amruta, just to inform, I'm also getting the same error, so I just fixed it.
Visual thing.
Yes.
Okay, how did you fix it? Help others. Yes.
Yes. So anybody who is facing, you have to share the screen. Then only I can like.
Okay. I think the first
Okay.
lady,
Yeah.
Rajal, share your screen. Wait, I will make you the host.
I uninstalled the thing. Again, I'm going to install so.
Okay. I think Pradipta was also getting the error, right?
Yeah.
Install
Yes.
those.
So
I also getting this.
no issue, no issue. Rajal, you can share
Yeah,
and
yeah,
then.
sure. Okay, fine. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, I'll share. We can see, or we can all see what is happening.
Yes. Rajal is the host now.
Okay. So here I am sharing my screen. Okay, I'll go to MySQL download. Here's Dolphin. Okay.
I think you have already downloaded it, right? So it will be on your download folder.
Yeah, it is there.
Okay, just open that.
Okay, asking.
Let us wait. Yeah.
Okay, next. Okay, wait. Click on the first one. Yes, and click on that requirement.
Yeah, here.
Yes. So, actually, I got the option for install here.
Okay.
Hmm.
Well, here it is showing redistributable package 64 is not installed.
Copy that, or click on MySQL for Visual Studio 1.2. Third one.
Yeah.
Actually, I check. Click on check.
Requirement is still failing.
Okay. Click on the second one. Actually, from this option, I got the install option for that.
Okay.
Here
So
only I got install option.
that is what I was also talking about. They need to install it explicitly.
No. That visual only, like MySQL
So you were
Visual
getting,
Studio.
they are not getting, no.
Okay, Visual version is 215 must be installed. Okay, Visual Studio version, this should be installed. Okay, let's install then Visual Studio version. Okay.
No, actually, in this like tab only, they are providing the install option.
If I don't get, then can I separately download it? I'm like, I just wanted to know.
Okay, don't go for that now. Let me check and give you some good links, okay? Okay. If you want, you can do a hit and trial. If it works well and good. If not, let me also check meanwhile. You'll have to install at the backend. That is something I also know.
Visual Studios, yeah, that I have
Yes.
to install.
Yes. And meanwhile, if there is some shorter solutions, I'll also check. People who are not able to download, please drop a mail to me. We'll connect later. Okay. Okay.
Email address?
Mail ID I've given. No, I've just given in the ping, I believe. No, not given.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Wait a minute. Okay, let's stop with this thing now. Let's quickly proceed let's start a bit of learning.
Ma'am, I also is 64 bit also downloaded.
64-bit, 32-bit, there should not be any issue. This is compatible in 64 also.
Visual Studios should be there in your laptop or system. So
That
then
is
only,
the thing. Yeah, that is the one thing only. Okay,
Wait,
fine.
madam, I'll please share screen, ma'am. I'll show you.
Okay, no, Shashi, let's stop here. Okay, we'll start with the learning. थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेते हैं. Download thing हम बाद में देख लेंगे. You can drop me your mail if you are stuck. Okay, let's utilize 10-15 minutes, whatever we have. I want to start with the introduction.
There is 660@gmail.com. Is your email address, ma'am?
Yes, that's my email address. Let's everyone please stop. Focus on my screen. We'll discuss something.
Yes.
Okay. Let me reclaim myself as the host. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to you guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once you have loaded your MySQL, this application or software will be present in your systems. By default, you will be seeing 3 schemas. Within the schema, if you click here, we will be seeing the entity. Table, view, store, procedure, function. These are the entities. This is the place where I am going to write a query. Let's say I'm writing a dummy query. I'll explain everything. Hold on. Okay. Let's say I'm just writing a query. What is a query? Query is the code which you are going to write in order to communicate with your database entity like stable, view, etc. So this is a query. Whatever you will be writing will be called as a query. The moment you write the query, you will get a log. This is the place where you will get the log. It will be either cross or it will be either tick. If it is tick, means the query has executed successfully and you will be able to see your data here. Okay, how did I run it? So this you have to select and click on this thunder sign. It will give you the output. Okay, now let's talk about what is these things, what is the meaning of schema. Okay, I'll give you a very simple example. Let's say I am Amrita. Okay, above me I have my father whose name is XYZ. Okay, I'll just write my name Amrita. I have my father, let's say, whose name is XYZ, and above my father I have my grandfather whose name is ABC. Okay, now I am inherited from my father. My father has inherited something from some properties from my grandfather. I have the recognition of my grandfather. I have the recognition from my father. My father has the recognition from my grandfather. Now there is a kind of family tree hierarchy here. The very first member, who is the topmost member or who is someone from whom we guys are recognized, is your schema. Means who is like a elder member of your family. Similarly here also we have the schema is the storage place. When you within schemas you will have lot of things, entities like tables, views, store procedure. Sys is another schema. Within schemas I will again have lot of entities. Within world I'll have lot of entities. Now every time you call a table, one table name can be in this schema, it can be in this schema also. I mean to say, the same table, let's say this actor table, it is possible that the actor table is present in Shakila. Also it is possible that the actor table is present in other schema, that is sys. But within the same schema you cannot have same table names. That won't be allowed. So whenever we will be writing query, so what is this select query for? Select query is to retrieve the data, to read the data. We will, whenever we want to read the data, retrieve the data, I will be taking the help of the select clause. I will write select. Next, this star symbol, it represents all. Okay, we say it as select all from schema name dot table name. This means all what? Show me all the columns and all the rows. It basically means you point out to all the columns. I have 4 columns here: actor ID, first name, last update. When I say all, it will show you all the columns. All from where? From, you could have directly written this from table name. Now the problem with this is, let me run this. I have written select all from table name. If I run this, it is showing me some error, no database selected. Means it is getting confused that which schema are you trying to point to. Hence it is always a good practice to add a schema name before writing a table name. And this completes your query. Select all from schema name dot table name. If you click here, you will be able to see actor table. If you click on the actor table, you will be able to see all the columns that are associated with this table, and these are the data type of the columns. How many data types, what all data types, we are going to discuss this further, but let's understand basic things. Now let's say I don't want to see all the columns, I just want to see actor ID and first. How will I do that?
Select
What?
actor ID, comma,
Yes.
first name from Shakila.actor.
Yes, good. Okay. So
you.
as I said, this is the place where you are going to write the column name.
Column.
Nowhere you are going to write the column name. Between select and from, the place is for column name. You write the column name here, actor ID, and then first name. आप जिस sequence में लिखेंगे उसी sequence में you will be seeing the output. Whatever sequence you maintain here, in that sequence only the visualization will be there. If you alter the sequence, let's say I'm altering the sequence, your visualization will also change as per that. Okay, so far just understand that select all from schema name dot table name. This is one way. Let's say you're finding it very boring to write the schema name always. So what I can do the other way, I can say use schema name. So what will happen? See,
Okay, okay, yes, this is what I was about to ask. Yes, okay, okay.
okay, see this. As of now, these schema names are all in normal. The moment I'll run this, no, this Shakila schema, it will get pointed. Means now your database know whatever tables, views you will be referring, you will always referring to this one. If you now run this without the schema name, it will work fine. It will work fine. So sometimes by default, if you don't add the schema name, it will also work. What happened that time? Maybe cookie is there or some like some idea it is having to which schema it wants to point, it will take. But other time when you get the error no database selected, it's not able to understand that this table belongs to which schema.
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
So now on the screen I can see there are three schemas: Shakila, SYS, and World. If just if we imagine that there is only Shakila, then is there any requirement to write this use Shakila semicolon or select star from Shakila or actor semicolon? Is it required?
No, I don't think it would be required, but always remember. So whenever you will be taken into a project, you will never have only one schema. You will definitely have multiple schemas. For sure you will have. So it's always it's okay. It's always a good practice to write it like this schema dot table name. I will also not say this as the good practice. This is the alternative way, but always try to write schema dot table name. So what happened? No, if you give your queries as a script to someone else, then also we don't have to bother that if it is pointing to write schema or not.
Exactly. So it's safest to write schema name dot table name.
Yes.
Okay. Fine.
Yes.
Got it.
Okay.
So here, ma'am, you create a schema on your own?
No, this will come by default. People who are getting successful downloads, no, it will be there for them. Okay, this is what I wanted for you guys also. Okay, this will come by default and it will give you a lot of tables by default.
Yes,
schemas. Ma'am, actually, I'm not able to see that schemas. I have some different schemas in my tool.
In MySQL itself?
Yeah.
Okay, drop a mail to me. By default, these three are there. Like it's been.
I have only sys, ma'am, and I don't have world and other one.
Okay. Then in that case, we'll have to download these explicitly. I have scripts for that. I will share. Okay.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, please
So,
come up.
we can in the editor, like we use Sekila, and then in the fourth line, can you try to include the sys.actor, ma'am? Like which one it will point to now?
It will take sys only. So you are writing here, no?
But
So
we are using Sekila, right, ma'am? The schema.
Oh, it's okay. If you're using also, here also you're giving the schema name with the table name. When you run this, it will take it. Okay.
Just one last time. So I guess it is better to mention the schema name dot table name always.
Always. It's the best.
Yes,
and everyone does like that only.
Exactly. So that we don't have to worry about anything else. Just one query and we can succeed.
Correct.
Because use schema name semicolon we can forget also to write. When the query thing, entire thing gets very big, all the script gets very big. You forget. Okay, thank you.
Yes, no problem. Yeah. Okay. See, it's as per the previous person's questions, it's it's highlighting to Shakila. But when I'm saying that take some other schema and other table, it's giving me the output successfully. It's overwriting. Always the next thing when it's getting executed, it overwrites. It understands this query and it will give you the output. Okay. The main focus is to make the database understand what you're trying to write. Okay, so like, yes, the session was lighter today. Tomorrow we will be seeing, I mean, I will focus on doing hands-on and learning. We will be writing a lot of select queries. First we will discuss about what all clauses we have. There are a lot of, okay, one we have select. Select is used for what? Now you know, select is used to retrieve data. There is something which is called as update, there is something which is called as alter, create, drop, delete, truncate. All these clauses we will be first learning, doing some hands-on, and together we will be learning the theory. I hope that is that does sound good to you.
Yes.
So this is how we will proceed.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is very useful for us. Can you please share that clauses for the today's ma'am? We will we like a
What
reminder.
what I have to share?
Ma'am, that clauses like definitions. What is
Clauses,
where
yes,
we
yes. Don't worry,
we
don't worry. Tomorrow, entire time we will be learning about different type of clauses only. I'll be sharing these.
I
Don't
have
worry.
okay,
one
okay.
question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
have
yeah.
one question.
Yes, tell me.
Can we create the schema from here?
Yes, we can. We can. So create schema, create table. Things are going to come tomorrow. We can create our own schemas. No problem.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Any more questions with respect to what we learned? Not your installation.
Just a question means I joined maybe 3 to 4 minutes later today. So was there any important discussion or important announcement right after between
No.
7:30 to 7:35?
7:30. No. We started at 7:35. Always, like, I will give you, I mean, if you guys join sharp at 7:30, I will start at 7:30 only also. But if people are still joining, we will start at 7:35 only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, 7:35 sharp we will start.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a long duration. I mean, 20 days you will be going through your SQL thing. Let's continue the session from tomorrow onwards. People who are not able to install, I want you guys to fix this today only. I have already started getting many mails. Whoever is
Yes,
missing,
ma'am.
not
I
able
have
to
mailed
download.
you.
Yes, yes.
What should I email you that I am not able to do?
Yes, I will forget no names. Yes, please do email me. And also you can explore yourself with YouTube videos and all. That is what I will also check and give you links. Meanwhile, if you're able to resolve yourself, do let me know. Okay?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, fine.
You will take
Thank you, ma'am.
procedure
Have a
and
good day.
views also.
Sorry, Rahul.
You will take views and procedure also in this.
Yes, it's in your syllabus.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you share what is it, screenshots what you had done in one file, how to download and what are the steps are coming on for the MySQL?
Okay, fine. Wait a minute. I will share. So
Madam,
yeah, tell me.
anyone here, Geekland people who are there?
Everyone is declared.
No.
He's asking for
I'm
management.
This is only for operators.
He is trying to say from Geekland, who was the staff been, communicating with you. So,
okay, Googlen who has started communicating with me.
Yeah.
Okay, why is that question for? I mean, just to know.
Means about the scholarship, madam. We are getting 10,000 every month, but they are not giving the scholarship actually.
Okay, I'm sorry for that, but please check with your program manager. I have no clue about it.
But it's not
We're
responding.
trying to reach out
I
from
called
yesterday, but they're not
also.
responding for calls or messages.
Names, please, so that if I get to
Syed Sumran,
Sayed Sumran.
Ankita, no
Syed
response from
Sumran.
anyone.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay,
I've sent an email to.
Email follow-ups also we need to do. Okay, but just 1 minute. Hold on, I'll come back to your queries. Okay, don't ping anything, guys. Now I'm just sharing you the screenshot of the steps how to proceed. Razal has asked, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do it one by one.
Ma'am, is it possible? Like you have something in your one Word file and
Yes, I
send to
have.
us?
I was about to share, but it's okay. There are so many people. No, I'll just share here, and then if people need, I will share in on email as well. Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Okay, I will try to give a group reply only. And
All
if
right.
there, okay, fine. This is one. Okay, coming back to the other person regarding scholarship, give me your name with your program manager. At the best, what I can do, I will try to inform about this to them. I mean, rest it's upon them. Give me your name with your program manager's name.
It's Sayed Sumrain.
Say Sumren for
Sumrain.
everyone.
Can you ping me, please? Ping me, please. Do you guys have some ID or something like that? No.
No,
Uh,
ma'am.
act- Actually, ma'am,
We have his
we were
WhatsApp number
supposed.
as well.
Okay, I mean, if you guys can ping your phone numbers to me, I mean, just to me, direct
I've,
ping.
I have mailed you as well in personally.
Uh-huh. Okay, fine. So this is, I mean, how many people have this issue? One is Puneet who have pinged me, and I think his program manager is Syed. Razal, you can also like just
Same. It's Sayed Sumrain only.
It
Same,
is for
same,
everyone.
Syed Sumren. Everyone.
everyone,
All,
and everyone
all
is has it.
45.
Oh my God, all 45 has the same issue.
It's
Yes.
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
It's
Yes, ma'am.
actually more than 45 people who are having the same issues. All
Same
the
issue.
batch.
Okay, fine. Okay, the person who has contacted with me, I will try to bring this thing
Actually,
to his, yes.
the EMI they debited on time, but at the time of credit, I don't know what happened with them.
Okay.
This
Um,
is a problem only.
I understand from a student perspective, I understand, but trust me, I literally have
Because
no clue, no idea.
they took so many this one on Zoom meeting, and they told us on 15 they will credit the scholarship,
Mm.
but they did not do the same.
Yes, exactly, ma'am.
They took the 4 5 meetings, and they told so many times that we will credit on 15th of every
Okay.
month, but it's still not credited.
Okay. Do you know someone who is in hierarchy above this Syed?
No,
No?
they don't share any email address or contact number.
No one
They,
responding
they don't
actually.
allow us to text in WhatsApp group. Nothing.
Okay, I mean, at the best, guys, I will definitely
Madam,
let know the person who is speaking to me or who is in contact with me. But how much this would be taken care? I mean, I'm a coach after all. This is not my area, but still, I will
Yes, ma'am.
let them know your feedback.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Actually, when these
ma'am,
things
one
happen,
issue will be there,
we
ma'am.
have
One
to
issue will be there.
concentrate on the
yeah.
studies part, right?
Uh, studies part. Sorry, what issue?
When these kind of financial issues crops up, that we all have some kind of disturbances in our mind. So that
True,
is also an
true,
issue.
true,
Ma'am,
true.
every 3 4 months they disturbing us.
They are only disturbing you.
Yeah,
I
they're
am
coming
I
with
getting
new
it.
mean,
changes, new
due to
policies.
this all thing, we are not able to
Okay.
concentrate in our studies.
Yes, true.
Yes,
This is something
ma'am.
which is problematic. I accept it.
And it's
Ma'am,
not just 1 or 2 rupees, it's quite a huge amount, right? So that's a issue.
Okay.
We all
ma'am,
were actually at it, means we took admission by seeing that pay after placement, zero fees till you get placed. But now the entire things have gone for a toss now. We are actually paying, and Geekern is just reimbursing, which is also not being done properly, correctly.
Yeah,
Mm,
exactly.
lot of concerns. Okay, guys, I assure you that I'm going to take this up with the person who is contacting with me. Anyways, your concerns are recorded in the sessions as well. This will be,
Exactly.
I hope this will be taken care. I hope.
ma'am, one thing, ma'am, is yesterday and the 2 days also is previous his class is not recording session is not
Yes,
uploaded.
sessions are
This
not
is that
uploaded.
also issue. The problem is in that.
Recording session, your last was Power BI, right?
Yes, ma'am. Two
Yes.
days
Yes,
is
Power
not
ma'am.
uploaded,
We are
ma'am.
working with Power BI.
2 days session for Power BI is also not uploaded. Okay, fine.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
A lot of problems here. I'll surely try to make this a priority, and I'll try to speak in a way that it is really very discouraging for you guys and all. I'll try to bring this to notice. That is what I can assure you at my best.
Thank you for your
We
help,
are
ma'am.
unable
Okay, ma'am.
to
Thank you, ma'am.
focus on our.
Sorry, Shashi.
We are unable to focus on studies. These
I'm
issues.
getting you. We are getting you. Yeah, getting you. Fine,
And
I will.
one more issue is that we are not really allowed to properly communicate. Like WhatsApp group, we cannot
Exactly. That's the big issue
cannot
here.
talk to anyone other than the student manager, and so on. Even if they are hosting a Zoom meeting for us to address our queries, there we cannot unmute ourselves and
Okay.
have to just write on the chat box. So we are really kind of restricted a lot.
Sounds discouraging.
Exactly. And one more issue is that there is no exit path for us. Even if we think that this is not going properly, we should part ways, we should just completely close this matter. There is no exit path. We have to forcefully continue. This is very discouraging.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I just enrolled in this course on 16th of December, right? And I just got only one scholarship, just previous month.
Okay. Okay, guys. I can hear only. I'll hardly have any control over this. This is supposed to be taken care by a different team. I will make sure that things get into. Their ears that this is the problem. This is the problem. I will raise this. Let's wait. Let me give you a feedback. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, as per the communication. Okay.
Sure, ma'am, sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much, guys. Let's meet tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Let's meet tomorrow. And meanwhile, we'll also communicate in our mails. Okay. Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye-bye. Have a good day, ma'am.
Have a good day, guys. Have a good day.
Bye.